Hello there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with the Electrolux dryer. So we are going to replace the dryer belt in this dryer because the drum is not moving for the customer. So we diagnosed that the belt has been combed off. So we will replace the belt for this dryer. So to do that, since this dryer is stuck on the top of the washing machine, we need to take it down to work it properly, and it will be more easier to work when you bring it down. Anyway, I would say it's like impossible to work with the dryer stuck on the washing machine. So to do that, we need to take the top cover out. As you can see, I took the screws out to take the top cover out, and also you can see the dryer belt has came off and stuck somewhere. So we'll take this snapped belt and then we will replace the new belt in. So to do that, we'll take the front cover first. So basically, to replace the drum belt, we will take the whole drum little bit out so that the belt can go in. So for this dryer, it's always better if you replace the belt and then with the motor, like in the motor first and then to the drum, but you can just copy us, doesn't matter. So to take the drum out, we just take all the screws back up the drum. Also this one for the heater, so we'll take that heater out. So those two screws behind the drum are okay, so you don't need to take those two screws at the middle. So here you can see we can easily take the side cover out, and as you can see the belt has been snapped here. To put the new belt in, as I said earlier, we need to take the back cover out. Also we need to take the cover for the fan so that it will be easier for us to put the belt between the motor. So I was talking about these two screws that we don't need to take it out to put the dryer belt. So if you can move the back cover a little bit like that, then you can easily put the belt. The only purpose of taking the back cover is to put the belt around the drum. So as you can see, we can easily put the belt around the drum. It will be always easier if you do this job with the two men, because like for the handling of the dryer and the position of the belt and everything will be a lot more easier if you work with the two person. So since the belt has already been around the drum, so now we need to put that belt around the motor, so which will be a little bit tough task to put the belt around the drum. So for that we need to take the spring out from the motor, and also the side covers, I mean like the top covers for the motors of the both auxiliary fan. So as you can see, we already put the belt in the into the motor. Now I think we missed some clip for this one because we forgot to take the picture since it was hard, and we kept the focus to put the belt inside the motor. So now we just need to put the spring on and then slightly push upward to the motor, and then the belt has to be doubly stacked like this in the picture, sorry, in the video, like this one. So if you do that, then it's okay. Now you just can put all the back cover and the side cover back into its position. So to put it back, you can just put all the screws in the same position like a reverse order while you did while opening the back cover or side cover out. So this is it for the AEG dryer to put the dryer belt in. It will be like a little bit tough task to do it, but you can always save money. If you like our channel, please subscribe us, and also if you think we saved your dollar, please give a thanks button, and then we'll be motivated to keep posting all the videos. Thank you for watching us. We'll see you in next videos.